There are many ways to free up memory on iPhone, either manually or with the help of tools. Now, let's take a look at them and pick out the best way to clear storage on iPhone. Part 1. Why is my iPhone storage full? Before you know it, your iPhone storage is full, and the culprit in consuming storage is often things you don't need, such as duplicate photos, infrequently used apps, etc. It's critical to find those things you don't need, but take up a lot of valuable space. Part 2. How to free up space on iPhone. Tip 1. Clean up your photo library. Tip 2. Clear browser cache. Tip 3. Clear app cache and other app data. Tip 4. Delete attachments and messages. Tip 5. Delete or merge duplicate contacts. Tip 6. Delete non-essential apps. Part 3. How to prevent iPhone storage from getting full again. The above tips will temporarily solve the problem of iPhone storage full. But as long as you keep using your iPhone, the iPhone storage will inevitably fill up again. Then you have to repeat the above steps again. Here are some things you can do to better manage your limited storage space and prevent your iPhone storage from filling up too quickly. Save photos and videos elsewhere. Do not store messages permanently. Disable saving duplicate photos when shooting in HDR.